Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today's recipe is creamy, dreamy, twice baked potatoes. Let me show you my version and let's get started. I'm gonna start with 4 russet potatoes that are medium in size. Each one weighs about 260 grams. And I'm gonna wash them and scrub them real well. Potatoes are scrubbed and clean. Now I'm gonna salt each one and wrap in foil paper. But first I'm gonna make some slits with the knife to make it easier for them to cook. I'm gonna salt with kosher salt liberally. Wrap just like so and place on a sheet pan. I'm gonna show you how to make another one. I always want to remind you that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my recipes. I'm gonna bake the potatoes at 400 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes or until they become very soft. And I usually check them with the tip of a knife or a fork. If it goes in easily, that means they're done. Now to the next step, I'm gonna unwrap them, remove the foil, and I'm gonna cut them in half, lengthwise. And remember, I'm gonna work on them while they're still very warm. With a spoon, I'm gonna scoop most of the inside of the potato and I'm gonna place it in a bowl. Just don't scoop too much or you might tear the potato. And I'm only gonna need 5 of the shells, so if you tear 1 or 2, that's not a big deal. And while the potato is still hot, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and it's room temperature. I add it to the potatoes. Chop some chives for later. And here I'm gonna add some crispy bacon. I'm not gonna add too much, about a 1/4 cup. That'll be good. Grate about a cup of sharp cheddar cheese on top of the potatoes. And there isn't really an exact measurement. You can use your judgment. If you want to add more cheese, it's totally up to you. I add about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I'm gonna adjust the salt and add some black pepper, and I'm gonna mash the whole thing together. Load the filling inside the potato shell, and I mean load it, just like so. Arrange in a shallow baking pan, and I'm gonna top with more cheddar cheese and bake just for 10 minutes in the oven until everything becomes very crispy on top. I actually baked them for 5 minutes and broiled them for another 5 minutes. This is looking great, crispy, and I can't wait to try it, but first I'm gonna sprinkle with lots of chives on top and serve it with some chicken. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's really an amazing potato recipe. And until next time, bon appétit!